What's good, YouTube? Flagstaff Geek here with another video, and today we're going to be unboxing the NG models Alaska 737-800. I'm excited to open this model. It's going to be good, guys. So here we got the box. Really nice box art by NG. Boeing 737-800, Alaska Airlines. The registration is N65AS. NG models, of course. Really nice box. There's a computer generated picture of the model. Back. Alright, let's get into this unboxing. Wow. Really nice job, NG. Looks really nice. Alright guys, let's get into this review. We got the cockpit windows. It says proudly Boeing right there, I believe. Yes, it does. Then we got our L1 boarding door, Alaska titles, our engines, overwing exits, and our registration. N65AS with the American flag right there. Here we have our beautiful Scimitar winglets and the beautiful Alaska tail. Here's the front view of the plane. You can see the nose cones painted on there. Then we got the right side of the plane. It's pretty much the same. Looks really nice. Then we have the back with the APU detailed right there. And then here's the bird's eye view of the plane. And let's get an under view of the plane. Really nice job by NG. The gears do roll, which is really nice. And right there it says ETOPS, so it has the 737 has the ETOPS rating. And yeah, that's gonna do it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please stay tuned for more videos and like and subscribe. Bye.